The Office of Civil Defense says there are now 37 fatalities from yesterday's magnitude 7.8 quake in Mindanao. Hundreds sustained injuries while 4 people remain missing as search and rescue efforts continue in hard-hit areas like General Santos City and Sarangani. Micah Razon joins us on the phone for more. Micah, what's the latest?
Following the magnitude 7.8 earthquake that struck Maasin, Sarangani yesterday, a total of 3,708 and 4 missing persons are recorded. Office of Civil Defense in Region 11 or the Davao region, 4 deaths and 23 injuries were reported. Meanwhile, in Region 12 or SOX region, authorities recorded 33 deaths, 456 injuries, and 4 missing persons. Based on the latest assessment, a total of 127 infrastructure facilities were damaged, with estimated losses reaching 15 million pesos. A total of 182 schools have suspended classes, while 123 workplaces reported work suspensions. Authorities also recorded 12 power interruptions. Meanwhile, 256 families have been affected by the earthquake and require assistance. Of this number, 11 families have already received aid. The total number of affected individuals has reached 88,000 across Regions 9, 11, 12, and the PARMM. Authorities reported no stranded passengers at airports or seaports. Back to you, Mai.
Papunta ba si President Bongbong Marcos dyan or sa mga apektadong lugar?
May sabi ni NDRRMC Sec Alejandro, bagamat hindi pa sigurado kung kailan makakapunta si BBM, ay nauna na ang ilang cabinet members to personally check the status ng mga kababayan natin sa Sarangani. May?
Ano ang pangunahing dahilan ng ikinamatay na mga biktima according to our disaster officials?
According to NDRRMC, falling debris at landslide yung cause ng kinamatay ng ating mga biktima dito sa Lindol. May?
Ano pa ang mga additional reports coming from our state disaster agency in terms of sa mga estudyanteng nadamay? May mga casualties ba?
According to Sec Alejandro, sabi niya, fortunately, nangyari itong lindol na ito during their flag ceremony. Kaya nandun yung mga bata sa labas. Kaya naiwasan yung ma-stranded sila sa loob habang lumilindol. Kaya tala nila ngayon, sa record nila ngayon, walang casualties na mga estudyante at mga guro. May?
Thank goodness for that kasi yung mga ibang video nga na nakita ko, nasa labas sila dahil flag raising ceremony. Maraming salamat, Micah Razon reporting.